Hi, I'm Jennifer Gibson. I'm the Gear Up Facilitator at Connally Junior High, and I thought the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was fantastic. Jason brings a lot of energy. The kids got into it, and knowing that he changed at least one child's life was worth it all.
And I'm Whitney Smith, and I'm also a Gear Up Facilitator at Connally Junior High, and I thought it was awesome. The kids loved it, the teachers loved it, and it was very energetic, and I just have only good things to say. My favorite part of the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was the message. All the kids seemed to really, it touched them, and so the message was great, all parts of it.
And my favorite part of the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was similar, knowing that students, despite their backgrounds, despite where they're coming from, their home life, that they know that someone believes in them and that they can do anything they put their heart to.
I don't need you to tell me I'm beautiful.